So here I am on the KLR. Great little city bike. So I had to come in and update my NEXUS card. So when you live close to Canada, that NEXUS card is just huge. On the boat, when I came in on the canoe journey by myself through the San Juan Islands, I checked in. I could do it by phone. You know, that's priceless. So, not a whole lot of activity. Here's a Airlift Northwest helicopter, and then some general aviation stuff, which is always cool. My dad and I would always go out. I grew up in Denver, and we'd go out to Stapleton on a Sunday afternoon and just hang out together at the end of the runway and watch planes take off and land. You know, for some people that's like watching paint drying, but it was awesome. I loved it. There was another closer airport, Jefferson County Airport, that has gotten a lot bigger. And we'd go out there too. This is a Dagner-collaboration. It's a Missouri Meerschaum, but it's one of those ones that the Dagners had a hand in. Good job, boys. Finally, a Walker custom bit on a standard Missouri Meerschaum. So I bought 2 of these at the pipe show. So, yes, that long, plasticky, cheap bit that used to come on Missouri Meerschaums. Ugh. So my solution was a Walker custom bit, but then Missouri Meerschaum bought them and then stopped making them. And they were kind of spendy, gotta say. So, anyway, here we are. I'm going to run back and catch the ferry and go to work. But you have to do an in-person interview for the NEXUS thing to renew, so that one's smooth. Smoking, what am I smoking? I'm smoking some Orlick Golden Sliced. Smoked by all shrewd judges. Shrewd. I don't think of judges as being shrewd, but I think of attorneys as being shrewd. And most judges are former attorneys. So this blend is composed of Golden Virginia tobaccos with a touch of Greek, misspelled. A fine natural sweetness in both taste and aroma characterizes Orlick Golden Sliced. The cut is a traditional navy cut flake that is pressed tobacco and cut into thin slices. Made in Denmark. So it's good. Pretty good. I'm not a big Perique guy. It lends a little, I don't know, spice I'm not looking for. But anyway, yeah, good smoke. And, you know, these are a great value, $18, which is kind of top dollar for a Missouri Meerschaum, but, I mean, come on. The style. Style is awesome. So anyway, I could stay here probably for hours watching planes. The original 787 lifted off a little earlier for whatever reason, I don't know. But anyway, good fun. So I wish I was going out here, but I'm not because I have fire drill tonight. Smoking the last of that Orlicks. This little Dagner Meerschaum, Missouri Meerschaum. I could probably smoke a cob only, and I'd be happy. And there's some chicken smokers. So I'm down at the marina, just checking out on the boat. It's been neglected. Yes, it has. So, correct that this summer and get out more. I don't know if I can get out this week though. Seattle Pipe Club is tomorrow afternoon or evening. And I'm thinking about going down there. The weather's supposed to be nice. So we'll see. It'd be fun. I haven't done that yet. So. It's like summer. It's great. So just smoking the last of this and then I'll head out. Yeah, it'd be great to go out. I'm going to have to anchor off and swim down and do a little sponge removal. But that's kind of par for the course. So, yeah. Hope your weather is half as nice as this, because this is perfect.